Placing a limit order on Etrade allows you to buy or sell a stock at a specific price or better, ensuring you don't pay more or sell for less than your desired price. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Etrade account. Visit the Etrade website or use the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Navigate to the trading platform. On the main dashboard, click on the Trade tab. Select stocks or ETFs or the appropriate category for the security you want to trade. Search for the stock. Enter the ticker symbol or name of the stock you wish to buy or sell in the search bar. Select Limit Order. Click on Buy or Sell depending on your action. In the Order Type drop-down menu, select Limit Order. Enter order details. Price. Enter the limit price at which you want to buy or sell the stock. Your order will only execute if the stock reaches this price. Quantity. Specify the number of shares you want to buy or sell. Duration. Choose how long you want the order to remain active. Review and submit. Review your order details to ensure accuracy. Click Submit to place your limit order. Monitor your order. Check the Orders or Portfolio section to track the status of your limit order.